Rear engine mounts are in on the rear cross member. And right now we are going to be doing the front engine mounts. All right, let's get to it. At this point, I'm ready to install the clutch linkage back to the transmission. And I used a ratchet strap here to pull the clutch fork back far enough to kind of help me get the clutch pedal linkage attached to it. The ratchet strap helped a lot. Kind of put a lot of tension on the tines of the clutch, and helped me get it back just far enough to try to slip it on. But for some reason, I had to orient it in a certain way to get it through the eyelet on the clutch pedal linkage. You can see here I try to fiddle with it, and then I noticed I had to take it off in order for me to get it in the clutch linkage eyelet and then put it back to the clutch fork. But yeah, overall it went pretty quick, pretty smooth, and then yeah, the ratchet strap, I couldn't have been able to do it with the ratchet strap, so that was a great idea.
What's going on there?
I just gotta get this linkage. It goes in a certain way, and then I can fucking...
Oh, I see. There you go.
There she is, bruh.
Slippery and...
Guy did a good job, and he broke it in already, and it's all synced, so I don't have too much really to worry about.
There you go, dude. No. I mean, these...
Oh, yeah, I should have closed my eyes, dog. Well, that's it, dude.
Because, I mean, these...
Get in the cab real quick.
These cars were, designed to go from sea level to up in the mountains,
Yeah. Get in the cab real quick and just push down on the clutch. Let me see what that action's like. Is it nice and firm?
It feels like it's kind of
gooey.
It's there. I'm not sure how it's supposed to feel.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, it feels nice and smooth. It's really.
Oh, that's just how I remember it. I can firm it up a little bit in the beginning.
Yeah, it might break in.
No, but that first inch is not worth it.
Yeah.
That first inch, I can go.
Yeah, you can go a little bit.
Tighten it up in a quarter inch down there. 1/8 inch down there, she'll bring it in. Or at least firm it up in the beginning. So, dude.
need to fire this thing up.
Hey there, dude.
How you doing?
Good, are you?
Yeah.
All good things come in time. You know?
Yeah, no, I hear you. I hear you. Hey, it's in there. That's a start.
Right.
That looks good, bro. Good job.
It was a fucking wrestling match.
Oh, yeah.
But I just got her bolted in. She's officially in.
Yeah, I see
And I
that.
just got the clutch linkage hooked up. Now I gotta do a little
Oh, baby
fitting.
girl. That's awesome, dude.
Just one piece at a time.
Yeah.
And then the biggest part is wiring.
Yeah.
That's what I'm not looking for that at all. There's definitely no gas in there. That's for sure. All right. All right. There's that. Anyway, I don't know what's back here. Anyway, some Fiji. Oh, coming in with the heat. Express Reserve. See what Rock is in. Gave myself one spritz. I was kind of a lot. Oh, hey. Old bottle rockets. Yeah, I think we're stashing those. What else is down here? Ooh. Ooh, this one's terrible. But it's rope. Spideys and shit, maybe. Yeah, spiders. Alright. Whoa, this smells like gas. Alright, well that's it. That's all the glass from when my boy Brandon broke the window with a BB gun. That's classic. He fixed it though, he's got it. Yeah, so that's it. Gas tank is out. Gonna be redoing that fuel line. And then the fuel line from there to the pump. Think I'm gonna get new carpet. She's got good deals. I mean, it's like $100, $200, something like that. So I think I'm gonna cop that, get that going, and then clean out this tank, redo the ascending unit, get it back in the rig, pick you up later. So satisfying. Just how it used to sound. On the bumpers here, about 8 inches up there. On the bumpers here.